Do you want to make money online? If yes, stick to this video. What's up guys, it's Mstack Tutors. Today in this video, I'm going to give you guys the best online money making platform of all time. So if you are one looking to make money online, then this video is for you. Without wasting much of your time, let's get started. 5 best online money making platform of all time. Number 1 on our 5 best online money making platform is Fiverr. Fiverr is a place or a marketplace that allows you to get all your skills monetized. If you are one who does web design, logo design, dropshipping, or you teach people how to speak different languages, any skill you possess, you can actually get them monetized here on Fiverr marketplace. Now, how do you make money on this platform? It's pretty easy. Like I said earlier, you get all your skills monetized. Whatever be your skill, any skill at all you may think of, you can actually get them monetized here on Fiverr. If you are good at video editing, animation, anything at all you can do. If you are good at transcripting, then you can actually make use of Fiverr to make money online. All right, so let me show you guys a good example of what I'm talking about. So let's go to this keyword right here. As you can see, it says find the perfect freelance services for your business. So let's search for a service that has to do with web design. So let's click on this right here. So let me show you guys exactly how this platform works. Right here, as you can see, these are web design services available on Fiverr at the moment. All right, as you can see, this person said I will make website HTML, CSS, JS, which is JavaScript. So this person say I will design HTML, CSS based websites for you. I will create a unique and modern responsive website design. So these are people who are actually selling out their skills for money. All right, so as you can see, the prices are quite different. This one is selling for $5, this one is selling for $10, this person is selling for $30. Just keep going. $350, this person is selling for $150. So if you can offer any of these services right here, you can actually go to this platform, sign up, and then become a member of this platform and get your skill monetized. So let's go to another skills available on Fiverr. Let's check out, okay, as you can see, these are the categories of skills available on Fiverr, or skills you can actually get monetized on this platform. You can monetize websites. Oh, let's go to this graphic and design. So if you're into graphic and design category, so these are what you can get monetized on Fiverr marketplace. You can monetize logo design, brand style guide, blah blah blah, and blah blah. All right, so just keep checking out whatever you know you can do. You can actually sell them out here on Fiverr. People who look for your services come here, buy your services, order your services, and when you deliver the services, you make money in return. So this is how you can make money online, and this is one of the best all-time paying platform to make money online. So if you are one looking to get money online, watch this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. I love this video. So to get registered on this platform is pretty easy. All you have to do is to click on this join here. Sorry, this is it right here. Click on this join button. When you click on this join button right here, it's going to take you to a portal or a registration form where you fill up your details, then your phone number, your email address, then you're a member on this platform. All you need to do to verify is just your ID card. You get a valid ID card and verify you are actually the real owner of the account you are creating, and then you are good to go and you get your skill monetized. So whatever it be, you can do voiceover to get money here. You can produce song, you can do a lot of things, you can teach people, you can help people to get the assignment done, and then you get money from this platform. And one thing I like about this platform is that it doesn't select countries. It's for everybody, all country allowed to get paid on this platform or to make money on this platform. So whatever you are watching this video from, you can actually sign up and get paid. Number 2 on our list of best online money making platform is Upwork. Upwork is a marketplace whereby you get all your skills monetized, just like the one I mentioned earlier, which is the Fiverr marketplace. So if you are one looking to make money online, either from the comfort of your home or from your workspace, then consider Upwork as a good fit. To get registered in this platform is pretty easy. All you have to do is to click on the sign up button, then follow the on-screen instructions. Get registered by inputting your email address, a valid email address. Then your details, your phone number, and then your write-up or your description to join Upwork. That is all you need to get started in this platform. It's pretty easy, it's free of charge. You don't have to pay money to get registered in this platform. It's easy. So what are you waiting for? Why still broke when you have platform like this that can make you a billionaire, help you get all your skills monetized? So sign up today and start making money online. So you can actually find a lot of skills here to sell on Upwork. If you are good at web design, if you are good at writing content for blog posts, web copies, Facebook adverts, you are good at running Facebook adverts, Google adverts, then why don't you sign up to Upwork and make money for yourself? So as you can see here, it's a find talent, post a job and hire a pro. You can actually post a job on Upwork. If you are looking to get someone do your work for you, you can go to Upwork, post a job, and people who are interested in that job will actually bid for it. Then you select the one that you want to use for the job. All right, so right here you can sign up as a freelancer, or you can sign up as one who is giving a job to freelancers. All right, so this is how Upwork works. So right here you can see browse and buy products. So these are the product catalog, so you can actually check out. You can go for video editing, SEO, WordPress, article and blog posts. Like I said earlier, if you are good at writing content, you can sign up to this platform and then find someone to write content on and then get paid for it. All right, so as you can see, say find work. You can go here to find work. So this is how Upwork works. So this is number 2 on our list of best money making platform. Number 3 on our list of best online money making platform is the popular Google owned product known as YouTube. YouTube is a great platform that allows you to get monetized all your video content. If you are one who make good recipes, you can create a channel and teach people how to make recipes. If you are one who is good at logo design, graphic, website creation, then you can make a video on that and get monetized video and earn money from it. YouTube is actually free. You don't have to pay a dime to get registered on this platform. All you need to get registered is just your email address and your passion to make videos. So long you have an active email address and passion to make videos, then consider YouTube as a great fit. Number 4 on our list of best online money making platform is Amazon. A lot of people think Amazon is just a place to make purchases, a marketplace where you place order and get your order delivered to you at your doorstep. No, people make a lot of money from Amazon platform. Now, how do you make money from Amazon? There are actually 2 basic ways to make money from Amazon aside selling and buying product on the platform. Number 1 way to make money on the Amazon platform is signing up as an affiliate member. To sign up as an affiliate member on this platform is pretty easy. All you have to do is to check around, go down to the footer section. You're gonna have access to sign up as an affiliate member. Or another way to sign up as an affiliate member on the Amazon platform is to go to your Google search and type Amazon affiliates. When you type it, okay, this is right here. You're going to get a link. This is the link right here. So when I click on this link, it's going to take me to an interface. This is it right here. Like I said earlier, recommend products and commission. So how this affiliate work is you get paid per each sales made. When you recommend product to people and those people buys from your referral link, you are going to get a specific commission paid into your Amazon accounts, which you can either request for a withdrawal or you get paid on a monthly or weekly basis as per how you want to get paid on the platform. So why don't you sign up as an affiliate member on Amazon platform today and start making money for yourself? Recommend those people products and get paid by each sales made. Recommend products to people who you think are in need of that product. If it's tech products, clothing, you can recommend to people. When they buy, you get paid for that product. So this is a way you can make money online for yourself. Another way you can make money online via Amazon platform is registering as an Amazon Kindle seller. All right, so when you go to Amazon Kindle, all right, oh, this is it right here, Amazon Kindle. So this is right here. Amazon Kindle allow you to sell ebooks. It allows you to sell ebook. If you are good at writing content, writing articles, writing books, Why don't you write an ebook and sell on this platform for money? So this is right here. When you get to amazon.com/kindle ebooks, so you're gonna have interface like this. As you can see, this is it here. It's all about selling books, digital ebooks. So this is it right here. So all you have to do is to sign up. So when you click here, start here, you're gonna have access to registering on the platform. So register on this platform, sell your ebook, and get paid per each copy sold out. Get sales per people reading your ebooks. So this is how you make money on the Amazon platform. Number 5 on our list of best online money making platform is the Blogger platform. Blogger allows you to create a blog all for free. Publish your passions your way, create a unique and beautiful blog. It's easy and free. Like I said, this platform is totally free. All you have to do is to sign up using your email address. This platform is owned by Google. So long you have an active email address, then you are good to go signing up as a blogger on this platform. So all you have to do is to click on the sign in, or you click on the create your blog. When you go to create your blog, it's going to give you access to create a blog. This blog allows you to, like I said, you put your email address, then follow the on-screen instructions, and then sign up and create a blog. Publish what you know people might want to read, publish your passions, and get monetized. Then you start making money from your blog. So this is a platform that allows you to make money. So guys, this is the list of our 5 best online money making platform of all time. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, share with your loved one, and comment I love video. See you guys, and thanks for watching.